Welcome back as we conclude this program with some tips and suggestions. In many instances of troubleshooting, it's so easy to overlook the basics. For example, a battery connection may appear to be okay, but is it? Take the trouble actually to check out each item in the circuit. Many problems are often corrected so simply. Another tip regarding batteries. If the battery is dirty and looks neglected, don't even begin to check the charging circuit. Sort that battery out first, or you'll end up wasting much valuable time. The basis of any good electrical system is a clear and resistance-free line through which current can flow. So get into the habit of cleaning all electrical connections, especially those on the return or earth side. This program has covered the general procedures for performing a systematic check on a typical alternator system. We do, however, strongly recommend that you follow any procedures provided by equipment or vehicle manufacturers wherever such information is available. Actual charge rates, or outputs, will often vary between makes and models of alternators. Always consult the manufacturer's specifications to obtain accurate data. Use reliable and trustworthy testing devices such as voltmeters and ammeters. Look after these instruments and treat them respectfully, and they'll provide years of reliable service.